Hey friends, welcome to another What I Ate in a Day video. Today I decided to mix it up with my water. I used lime and organic strawberries in my water. Then for breakfast, I just had a quick 3 bananas. I sliced them up and had those first thing in the morning. And then I did have an early lunch because I had to go and run errands today. So I chopped up about 12 or 15 tomatoes. And these are heirloom tomatoes, an organic, local, that I got at the farmer's market. The dressing is my French dressing, dates, garlic, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and smoked paprika. And I topped it off with some lentil sprouts, about 1/3 cup of those, and some green onions. Then while I was out, I stopped off at the grocery store and I picked up some pineapple, cantaloupe, and these juices. They are banana, raspberry, orange, and then the other one is beet strawberry something. But I had these while I was out running errands. And then for dinner I had a nice sesame tahini dressing on a romaine lettuce with tomato salad. So it was a whole head of romaine lettuce, about 30 little grape tomatoes, and my tahini dressing that I made up. And today, just over 2,500 calories and 10% fats, which is absolutely perfect for me. And I did manage to get over 50 grams of protein. I actually don't even try to get the protein. I don't even worry about it. If you do have questions about that, you can check out a book called Proteinaholic by Dr. Garth Davis, where he talks about the RDA being set on the high end, and we actually don't even really need the amount of protein that we all think we do. As you can see, for vitamins and minerals, looks like I got everything quite nice here. I do take a B12 supplement for those asking, and a vitamin D. I believe those are environmental vitamins. We're supposed to get those from the environment, the B12 from our soils, and the D from the sun. So because I live in a city up north, I do take supplements to compensate for that. I also had a lot of water today, and I don't enter my water into Chronometer, the water that I drink first thing in the morning. All of this water is from my food alone. So as you can see, it's an incredibly hydrating diet, and I absolutely love how I feel on it. If you guys like these videos, please click like and subscribe to my channel to get notifications for more. You can find me on Facebook, Lissa's Raw Food Romance, on Instagram at Raw Food Romance, and over on Snapchat, I am Lissa Raw Vegan. So until the next video, guys, fruit on.